Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen that the gold price now trading at a level of $2916. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, there is a continuous higher and higher trend, and this is on a weekly basis. Okay, but if you go on intraday trade, you will see that there is a lot of volatility compared to what we have seen. Okay, but if you go on a weekly basis, if you would have holded this on this gold at a price of 2646, chances was very high. We can see there can be that you can make a very good profit at a level of 2940. Believe that when the price started going higher, try to trail the SL. Okay, when you are in profit, if you are trailing your SL, you will definitely save your profit. That is the first thing. Second thing, whenever you start your trade, try to put your SL so your capital will also be saved, because if your capital is only not there, you will not be able to take trades. Okay, so if I putting your SL, you will save your capital so that you can trade ahead. Okay, now what we have seen that the price yesterday's and this particular week, what we have seen that it has already made a half around $2947. After that it came down towards a level of $2868. This is the low what we have seen. Now it has moved above this particular level again. Okay, the previous week's high is at around 2891. So if the price comes close to this level, we can see a bounce back can come, or if it started falling below this level, it can come towards $2868, and from there a further downfall we can see towards a level of $2818. Okay, and from there a bounce back also we can see, but once started falling below that particular level, chances of going below a level of 2800 will be there, and then from there it can move towards $2796, and then there will be a bounce back from that level. But if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see. Okay, looking at this particular chart, there is a higher chances that if the price keep moving this particular level and sustain, we can see it can make a new high after crossing a level of $2947. So what best you can do is you can trail your SL by $5 or $7. Okay, depending on the volatility. Okay, by $5 or $7, so you can capture a big movement towards an upside, because see, when the price started, volatility is less. Okay, then there is a chances that it will not move so much, so you can increase your target and SL by twice while reduce your quantity to half. So that is the best thing if the volatility is like a much higher, like more than this. When the volatility is less, you can keep the same quantity. This is what best you can do. Okay, now that it is trying to go higher and higher, so profit booking comes whenever it makes a new high. Okay, so best you can do is you can trail your SL, downside also and upside also, you can capture both the sides. Okay, one thing that you have to understand here, that whenever it's make a new high, a good fall comes, so you have to remember that this fall, it is still not started. So the best profit making what you can do is that whenever it started going down, we never know from where it will go. Okay, so you have to understand, see, look at these trends, it is making a new high and a fall is coming, so we have to wait for that particular fall, and then you can trail your SL towards downside, so you can capture a movements towards falling side also. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, if you look at the dollar index, high for around $110, it came down. Okay, and I have clearly explained you that 107.3 is a strong support, so we can see a bounce back can come from this level, but if started falling below this level, chances of going towards 106.5 is there. Okay, and if the price started falling below that level, a further downfall we can see. But suppose if the price started going above this level, what we can see, if started going above this level, we can see it can touch a level of $108, and once start moving off this level, a probability of touching a level of 108.5 will be there, and from there it will touch a level of 109.5, and from there a level of 109.8, and it can cross level of $110 and then further high. Okay, so when I say that the dollar index started going upside, we will see the gold price comes down. Okay, even silver, crude and natural gas, this is what comes down, because they are inversely related. If the dollar index started going down, we will see these price goes up. Okay, gold, silver, natural gas and crude. Okay, now coming back, if the price started falling below this level, we can see a further fall towards 106.5 to a level of 106 and then a further low. Coming back on the gold price, what we can see, if you look at this particular trend, chances are high that the price started sustaining. We can see a level of $29.40. Okay, and if started going off this level, a probability of going towards 29.47 we can see. Okay, and if the price moving above that particular level, chance of touching a level of 29.50 also we can see towards a level of 29.60. And once the price moving off this level, we can see it can touch a level of 29.70 to a level of 29.80 and then to a level of 2800, 3000. Okay, $30, $30,000. You have to understand one thing, that the price can go further upside. Okay, best you can do is, we never know that how much it can go. I think that there can be a chances that if it started moving, making a red candle, we can see there can be a fall. But we have to understand, when it started going upside towards above this level, you have to trail your SL by $5 or $7 so you can capture a big movement towards an upside, or if you trail your SL towards downside, okay, by $5 or $7 so you can capture movements towards downside. So if the price started going over $3,000, I'll make another video explaining where it will go. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, because see, market is uncertain. If I tell you that the market will go further upside, no, it is not. You have to understand, profit booking comes at certain levels. Okay, higher and higher is what we have seen in these levels. So you have to understand, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards its next support, that is coming at a level of $28.90. And if that didn't sustain, the next support coming at a level of $28.68. If the price started falling below 28.68, then the further downfall we can see towards a level of 28.20. This is a weak chart, so you have to understand weekly chart. So you have to understand support and resistance will be according to the week chart or a weekly chart. Okay, once the price started going below a level of 28.20, we can see the price can touch a level of around 27.91. From there, a bounce back we can see. But if started falling below this level, we can see level of after 28, we can see level of $27.63. And if the price started going below that particular level, chance of touching a level of 27.54 we can see. And once started going below that particular level, chance of touching a level of 27.30 we can see. Again I repeat, if the price started falling below a level of $28.68, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 28.24 to a level of 28.20. Then we can see a level of $28.91. From there, a bounce back can come. But if started falling below this level, chances of going towards a level of 27.63, and from there a further downfall we can see towards 27.46 to a level of 27.30, and then a further fall. So when the price started going below 2800, I'll make another video explaining where it can go. Okay, so hope you like the video, because see, there, if the price started falling down, there is a chances that it can come towards this level also and then further fall, because there can be a chances, because see, what we have seen there is, whenever it's make a new high, it comes down. Okay, but we never know that till how much it is going to go up. Okay, so any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I have given the mail ID also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.